Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you a quick guide to disable dark mode on WhatsApp. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your WhatsApp. Now click on three dots. Press on settings. Click on chats. Here you can see the option of theme. Press on this. If you want to disable dark mode on WhatsApp, you just have to press on light option. Press on OK. That's it. So this is the quick guide to disable dark mode on WhatsApp. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.